being a national crisis, it means that it's also a crisis in Quebec.
A concerning trend in Montreal. The number of opioid-related deaths is on the rise, and advocates are saying more needs to be done to address the issue.
In Canada, since 2016, we have more than 32,000 people who died from opioids. From opiates. In Quebec, we do have, I would say, from January 2021 or to December 2022, something like 500 deaths. So it means that we have close, actually, to 1 death a day in Montreal.
According to data from the Quebec Coroner's Office, the detection of fentanyl is steadily increasing in deaths that may be connected to drug intoxication, an upward trend over the past 4 years. The data also reveals that over half of drug-related deaths between January 2021 and December 2022 involved an opioid.
On any given day, we probably deal with 2 or 3 overdoses a day in our supervised consumption site.
CACTUS Montreal, located on Berger Street, is one of the city's most crucial supervised injection sites. Berthelot says the organization got a funding cut from Montreal Public Health.
We did get about a 30% funding cut on our programs that are related to STBBIs, or sexually transmitted bloodborne infections.
As a result, Berthelot says less funding means fewer staff available at supervised consumption sites.
Instead of the supervised injection site opening at 2 p.m. at the same time as the needle exchange, it opens up an hour later.
And it's extremely frustrating when we do not have the support, the real support, from public health.
In an email to City News, a spokesperson for Montreal Public Health says that funding has actually increased by over $300,000 this year. But Berthelot says there's still major cuts to the core funding of the organization that run the safe injection sites, and that the new agreement represents a 30% decrease in overall funding.
It's prevention, it's support, it's directing them to other kind of services, but it's really to make sure that when they have access to the safe consumption room, they know that if something happened, if they have an overdose, they won't die.
In Montreal, Swidda Rassy, City News.